Imagine a truck so advanced, it feels like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster. A machine that doesn't just meet today's demands, it obliterates them. Well, stop imagining. Because the 2025 CT660 is here, and it's not just an upgrade. It's a revolution. So buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll be wondering how you ever settled for anything less. Let's face it, trucking in 2025 isn't what it used to be. Fuel prices sky high. Emissions regulations tighter than ever. Technology, most rigs still lag behind. Drivers today need more than just horsepower, they need intelligence, efficiency, and unmatched reliability. And let's be real, if your GPS still loads slower than your morning coffee brews, it's time for an upgrade. The game changer, 2025 CT660. Enter the 2025 CT660, the truck that's rewriting every rule. This isn't just Caterpillar's latest release, it's a bold statement to the entire industry. Let's talk first impressions. The exterior of the CT660? Sleek. Aggressive. Purpose-built. Its aerodynamic body doesn't just turn heads, it cuts drag and boosts fuel efficiency. Those bold lines? They don't just look sharp, they are sharp. This truck means business before it even moves. Under the hood, the CT660 houses a next-generation powerplant, a beast that balances raw torque with clean, efficient performance. You get massive pulling power with fuel consumption that doesn't empty your wallet, and with advanced emissions control systems, you're not just meeting regulations. You're leading the charge in eco-conscious trucking. Power and responsibility, finally on the same team. Step inside, and you'll swear you've entered the future. The cab is loaded with next-level tech. Intuitive touchscreen controls. Fully digital dashboard. Ergonomic, fully adjustable seating. Smart climate zones. Ambient lighting. Every inch is designed for comfort and control, because hours on the road shouldn't feel like hours in a box. But wait, it gets smarter. The CT660 is built with driver-first safety. Collision avoidance systems. Adaptive cruise control. 360-degree camera coverage. Blind spot monitoring. This truck doesn't just respond, it anticipates. Here's where it really earns its stripes. The CT660 features AI-driven diagnostics, predictive maintenance alerts, and even semi-autonomous driving capabilities. Imagine a truck that tells you what's wrong before anything breaks. That reroutes your trip around traffic in real time. That acts as your mechanic, your co-pilot, and your assistant, all at once. And no, it won't judge your playlist. This isn't just about keeping up with the future, it's about owning it. And trucks like the CT660? They won't sit on dealer lots for long. If you're serious about power, efficiency, and staying ahead of the pack, this is your moment. The 2025 CT660 isn't just another truck, it's a whole new standard. So here's the question. Are you ready to step into the future of heavy-duty trucking? Or are you going to let this beast pass you by?